Hey guys, Czar here, checking in with you here in the New York session. I'm just going to put my, this is a 1 minute chart, by the way. I'm going to put the sessions back on so you can see where we are. This was the New York Open. Of course, this is CPI, the big release. Massive swings here. Crazy wild swings of nearly 400 points, 392 points from top to bottom here on the futures contracts. Give me one moment. Just had to mute you there to cough. Some dry air in the house today, and it's causing me a little bit of coughing. So watching this now, and I'll take off these sessions. So this was the New York Open. Drive down first to continue this move after the chaos of CPI at 8:30. This is 9:30, so an hour later, right? Drive down, and now we've been climbing ever since. This is just an EMA. It's an ATR actually. ATR EMA. It's just the same as you can, if you look at a 20 EMA, you'll see it's very, very similar. So I'm just playing around with some different things here, but I'll leave that on for now. I'll take off the sessions. I want clean charts to show you what I'm thinking here now. So what are we looking at? So before New York Open, which was right here, we had a resistance area right here. So I'm pointing at this, right? This piece right here. And we've now smacked into that again. That's the key resistance area to this rally up and then rejection down after this was all nullified. In other words, the rally up was then mirrored, and then another rally attempt, failure, impulse wave down, corrective wave now. Looking for a potential short opportunity, and now it's looking more evident to me as I'm watching this. Waiting for this candle to close in 26 seconds. If it breaks the low, I will take a short. It seems premature, I know, but it feels right to me. I don't love that though. It's got a little bit longer than I would like to see. I'm going to wait for it for a moment here. 5 seconds left. Go on my own platform here. Bear with me for one moment. Okay, and now if we break below, I'd like to see a top wick first, obviously. And getting ready to be short. If we break, I'm okay with it. That's better. That's what I want to see. Sometimes you get what you want, sometimes you don't. A big stop to start, if that makes sense. Stopping and starting, but a big stop to start. Here we go. Waiting for the flip now. Winning. I'm going to put you on pause, guys. I'll bring you back if anything happens here. I don't want to bore the tears out of you. I probably already have, but pause now. All right, guys, bring you back. A few minutes have passed. Now we're getting that top again. Notice how we rejected off of that resistance area from there. We tried to make a move down. We've now tried to rally back up again, did not make a new high, and now looking for this break of structure. I'll be right with you. Going over to my own platform again, just making sure I've got stuff that I want here. Sell, stop, limit. Sell, stop, limit. I've been thinking of doubling up here. I like the way this setup feels, quite frankly. All right, put you back on pause again. Coming down, about to get tagged in here, guys. Getting ready. And I'm in. I just got tagged in now. In this trade now, short the Dow. Short the Dow. Break of structure. Let's take a look at what the NASDAQ is doing. Something very similar, but has not broken structure. About to, wants to. Let's give it a moment. And the S&P, you'll see, is doing the same thing. It's actually just marginally broken, as has the Dow. The Dow is, they're all basically doing exactly the same thing. And why? There we go. There's the break I was looking for. Awesome. Stop to above current candle. Stop to above current candle. Let's go to break even. Stop to break even. Stop to break even now. Watching. I'm just going to go for 100 points here on the Dow. I think there's a reasonable chance we're going to sell off significantly here. I say reasonable. It's 10:30, 10:29, 10:30 in 20 seconds, and we'll be heading into the twilight zone. Here we go. Stop now above this candle. Stop now to above that 1 minute candle right there. So we're locking in a sure profit, not a big one, but a reasonable one given the action. Just don't want to give that back, and there's a very high chance of being stopped out on that, by the way, as you can imagine. $10.30 candle. Okay, you know what? Stop back to break even. Stop back to break even. Because I'm just seeing a little bit of renewed whippiness in here. I just don't want to be taken out right there when I'm willing to be break even. Just giving it a little bit more room again, guys. I'm just feeling this out on the fly, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. That's what trading, scalping is all about. Watching. watching patiently. Just seeing something here. Yeah, you know what? I'm going for 65 points, guys, right here. 65 points. And one more push down. Done. 65 points. And it's because I saw this here and I realized what time of the day it is. 10:31. The DAX closes in 29 minutes. And I want to get that sure trade. So a little bit on the fly maneuvering there, as you can see. I think that's important. This thing could just drop to zero. I mean, the reality is it is looking weak. And I think the initial trade idea is very solid. But just looking at what I'm seeing here with this structure, I'll show it to you here. I feel like staying with you to see actually how this actually reacts, but you can check it for yourself after the fact and you'll see what I'm talking about here, potentially. Or it'll cut through like a hot knife through butter, and it sometimes will do that. 65-point winner, guys. Thanks for staying with me. Have an amazing afternoon. Maybe I'll see you back here with another setup. Otherwise, have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care, guys.